Want to speak real Spanish from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at SpanishPod101.com.
Hello, friends from SpanishPod101.com. I'm Efrain.
And I'm Diego.
And today we're gonna give you a quick guide to survive to Mexican Spanish.
Enjoy
the video! Woo! Mexico is a very beautiful place to visit because of its people, because of its culture, and many other things. But there is something in the communication that becomes slightly difficult because we have so many usages that are not used in other countries. Give us an example, Diego.
Yeah, so for example, we have a difference between the use of pretérito perfecto and the pretérito indefinido because, for example, in Spain, they tend to use the pretérito perfecto for an action that ended recently. So they will say something like, esta mañana he desayunado cereal, or hoy he desayunado cereal. However, in Mexico, we wouldn't say it in that way. We would rather say, esta mañana desayuné cereal, or hoy desayuné cereal. Now, in Mexico, many things are small. And I don't say that because of the size of the things, but rather because we tend to use the diminutive in so many occasions. So, for example, for showing courtesy or hospitality or kindness, or even when we ask for something and we want to be polite. So we can use it, for example, in the adjectives. I could say, Efraín es chaparrito. Efraín is short. But we could also use it in the nouns. So we will give you more examples.
Diego, como que hace calorcito, ¿no?
Sí, hace un poquito de calor.
Sonará extraño, pero se me antojó un cafecito.
Claro, pero en un ratito que terminemos el video, te lo preparo.
Ok, ahorita me lo haces, ¿eh?
Claro que sí.
Va. There is another huge difference. Mexicans are incapable of saying no. So we create pretexts, excuses, and we delay the offer. That is something that people of other countries hate about us. So it wouldn't be strange to hear things like, sí, pero al ratito. Muy probablemente, pero yo te aviso. Te confirmo al rato. Tal vez. Al rato quedamos. O nos marcamos después. So when you hear stuff like that, the other person might be declining your petition. For example, Diego, deberíamos ir a una fiesta hoy. Escuché que esta Ana va a dar una fiesta en su casa a las 8.
Oh, esa noche. Bueno,
ajá.
Es que ya tenía un plan con unos amigos. No estoy seguro.
Pues invítalos.
Sí, pero bueno, yo te confirmo más al ratito.
Ok, sí, tú me dices.
Sí. Another thing you need to know before coming to Mexico is that we tend to overuse the reflexive pronoun te and the suffix le. As we know, the reflexive pronoun te, we use it all the time whenever we use an reflexive verb. And the suffix le is for an indirect object. However, in Mexico, we use the reflexive pronoun te for a request that we want to make it sound more friendly, for cheering up the person whom we are asking the request. So I could say, Efra, léete el libro de Rayuela de Julio Cortázar. Es muy bueno.
Ok, seguro.
And the suffix le, we use it for, once again, this is another imperative. And we use it whenever we want something to be done quickly, and it's also kind of friendly and cheerful. So we could probably say, we can use it in the verb correr. It doesn't really need an indirect object. So it wouldn't be strange to hear in Mexico a thing such as, Efra, córrele, que se nos va a hacer tarde para ir al cine. We will give you another example.
Diego, échate este vino conmigo, al fin ya no tiene mucho.
No, Efra, tú sabes que yo ya no tomo.
Nomás un traguito, Diego.
No.
Ah,
Pero, ¿qué tienes? ¿Estás un poco triste o algo?
No, todo bien, Diego, todo bien.
Te veo un poco animado. A ver, cántate una canción.
Amigo, ¿qué te pasa? Estás llorando.
Pero cántale con ganas.
Amigo, ¿qué te pasa? Estás llorando. Seguro es por destenes de mujeres. No hay golpe más mortal para los hombres. So, this is it, friends from SpanishPod101.com. We hope you have enjoyed this video and give us your thumbs up if you want to come to Mexico and meet some friends here. Let us know your opinion right below.
In our comment section, and see you in the next video.
See you!